Fletcher, don't strip it on the floor on purpose. Stop. Hey, do you want to clean up the floor? Stop making a mess. So shouldn't you try to put it in his mouth? What are you doing, Fletcher? Are you feeding your brother? I don't think he's getting any food. Fletcher, in his mouth. Fletcher, in his mouth. You're silly. Whoa! That's not a good idea. You gonna feed him now? There you go. Say hi to the camera. You're sweet. Oh, that was a good one. Oh. You're a sweet boy. Do you love your brother?
Mm-hmm.
Are you feeding him because you love him?
Yeah.
Aww.